Pressure washers are vital machines that boast of unsurpassed cleaning capabilities. They are becoming increasingly popular nowadays as many homeowners are finding various kinds of uses for them. However, to create perfection in your cleaning tasks, it would be quite essential that you have knowledge regarding the best available models. We've listed down the top 3 best 2000 PSI electric pressure washer and their key features, plus the things to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are available in the description. You could also find more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, columbiaflorist.net. Number 3. Joe SPX 3000. The SPX 3000 is one of the top models from Joe. It packs a remarkable 2030 PSI of pressure and powered by a 14.5 amp motor. This powerful 1800 watt motor drives a pump with a capacity of 1.76 gallons per minute. The SPX 3000 gives you the ability to not only use detergent with your pressure washer automatically, but it can hold 2 different types of detergent in its dual tanks. This means that when you are deep cleaning a variety of areas, you can switch effortlessly between soap and make your job go even faster. It has a 34-inch extension spray wand to give you the ability to clean hard-to-reach areas, even second-story windows and siding. You can also adjust the spray setting to meet your needs. For tough stains, you may want a pressurized stream of 2000 PSI. But for a light cleaning, you can tone down the pressure to a misting rinse. Number 2. Joe SPX 3001. This 1800 watt 14.5 amp pressure washer can produce up to 2030 PSI. This means it has enough power to remove road tar from your vehicle without damaging the surface area. It comes with a very large onboard detergent tank, and you can customize the spray to get the cleaning power that you need from it. It has a 20-feet hose and a 35-feet power cord. There is also a garden hose adapter, so you know that it will work with any standard hose. The built-in holder can securely hold the trigger gun when not in use, and the hose reel holds the hoses. This ensures that it will take up very little space when you need to store it. Number 1. ARIBLUE AR383. This pressure washer is very versatile in its cleaning ability. You can easily adjust it to spray out either a wide fan or a more concentrated area by simply turning the nozzle head on the variable spray wand. For tough jobs, you can also use the turbo wand, which produces a pulsating and rotating spray. This means that it can handle even tough jobs with just a minor adjustment using its 13-amp 1.5 horsepower motor. It has a triaxial water pump which will use only 1.5 gallon per minute no matter how much spray you are using. The AR383 is a 1900 PSI cold water pressure washer. This electric washer is powered by a 14-amp durable induction motor. This 120-volt motor drives a triplex 3-axle piston pump that incorporates a flow of 1.5 gallons every minute. Did this video help you find what you were looking for? If so, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Have a good day.